Hello, all my beautiful 7th grade parents. Sometimes you just gotta drop in on people and record a video, and I just wanted to say hey to y'all. I know I've sent this link out a bunch of times on Team Reach, but we got this big fall festival coming up on Friday, November 8th from 5 to 7 p.m. It's a huge fundraiser for our school. If you've been there before, you know how big that is, how kind of chaotic it is, and how much fun it is. We have games, prizes, all sorts of stuff. The big thing that 7th grade is always in charge of, the parents, are the inflatables. And I'm guessing your kids, because we've been doing this fall festival for a hot minute, they probably enjoyed the inflatables when they were younger. So you know how important the inflatables are to the fun of fall festival. That being said, y'all, check it out. On this link that I sent y'all, excuse me, I'm highlighting stuff I shouldn't highlight. I have y'all divided up into 30-minute shifts. Now that fall festival is 2 hours long, but I broke everyone up into 30-minute shifts because I want y'all to also enjoy the fall festival. And I know how long that 30-minute shift can only be 30 minutes, but sometimes it may feel like an hour or two when you see all those kids in the gym playing on the inflatables, okay? So if you guys slide down on that Sign Up Genius I've sent y'all several times in Team Reach, you will see I have things starting at 4:45 and going all the way to 7:15 just to cover our bases, okay? If you look right here, y'all, that number, I only got 2 parents signed up right now for 4:45 to 5:15. Shout out to Kimberly Graham and Nikki Overby. I appreciate y'all, I really do. I'm looking for 4 more parents to step up and help us out and make sure we got all of our available slots filled for that 4:45 to 5:15 shift. Same thing if you jump down here at 5:15 to 5:45. I've got Joe Reed, I've got Julie Royster, I've got Emily Johnson. I need 3 more bodies, y'all, to help these ladies out. They're fantastic ladies. I think the world of them, and they just need 3 bodies to help them out. Same thing down here from 5:45 to 6:15. Same thing down here from 6:15 to 6:45. And same thing on 6:45 to 7:15. Shout out to all these parents that have already signed up to help us out. I really do appreciate y'all. Y'all are rock stars. But I need a few more bodies to help us out, okay, with this. I know the Fall Festival is on Friday. That's only a few days away. So I'd love it if we could get this thing covered. If you have a question, send me an email. My email address is right there on the Sign Up Genius. B&M@advancedcharter.org. Okay? Hopefully that covers all the questions. I hope to see you guys at the Fall Festival. And yes, in case you're wondering, I'm filming this video in my basement beside our Christmas tree that stays up year-round. Because why not have a Christmas tree that stays up year-round? I hope you guys have a good evening. I will see y'all at school, and I'll see all you beautiful parents at the Fall Festival on Friday. All right, let me see if I can figure out how to stop this video now.